Good evening to one and all present here. We, the students of Army Public School, Nehru Road, are here to present our soil analysis project MAN. MAN is a two-step project in which the first part takes place in this machine. This machine consists of three sensors. First is the ultrasonic sensor, second is the moisture sensor, and third is the pH sensor. Now, as the name says, the ultrasonic sensor helps us in getting information about minerals present in the soil by reading the frequency of the particular mineral that are present in the soil, along with the sound amplifier which we use in it. The moisture sensor helps in getting the moisture content present in the soil. Now, the pH sensor tells you about the pH or the acidic or basic nature of the soil. Then you can check the data which is present here. Now, as per the data collected from the sensors, the very data is displayed on this LCD screen. As you can see that the moisture is 52% which is present in the soil. P4, that is phosphorus, magnesium, and different elements are present in the soil. The pH is 7.5. The second part of the project is this website, that is the MAN website. Now, this website tells you about the analysis of the soil, the data which we have collected from this device. The very data is displayed here. Now, along this website works with the algorithm and tells you about the exact data which we get. Moisture content is 52%. Phosphorus, magnesium, nitrogen, oxygen, and potassium is present. Now, the pH is 7.5. The soil is alluvial type soil and the data is collected on 5th of November. Now, the major part of this analysis page is that it gives suggestions to you about what kind of soil you have and what kind of vegetables are favorable and economically beneficial. Overall conditions are normal and slightly less moisture content. Suitable treatment will be more irrigation than organic manure is suggested. Economically beneficial crops will be carrot, wheat, barley, potato, etc. This website is farmer friendly and can be accessed from any place you have. Just the access of internet is necessary, and it also gives you about the information about different soils. Along with it, it also suggests you about new soil, new techniques of farming, such as organic farming or the different types of farming that are practiced in foreign nations, so that farmers can be aware of what kind of new techniques are being developed in the farming sector, so that they can also develop with the growing times. So this is our project. Thank you.